We get it. Alright. Just send the link out. It was good, gang. Yo, chat, if you can hear me, put some 41s in the chat. Where's everyone at? I hadn't joined. No one says anything. Ugh. Let me go send the link out. There we go. We here? Yes, sir. All right, boom. And we live. Boom. I was cool with TRADERTV. Nothing not open. But it is frankly open. A little slow today. So, guys, I've really been enjoying trading TRADERTV at either the hourly open now or in an hour at actual London Open. Looking for something. I think it's fun because it's a little bit faster where I'm actually able to give you guys some, consistent signals on here of what I can look for. A lot of you guys, like the way that I like to trade, I wait for my setups. I'm patient. A lot of you guys out there are not the most patient, which obviously I hope that you guys practice that and maybe don't come here to practice bad habits. But I do think it's fun to come here and get a little, have a little fun trading, some indices during London Open, essentially. But hope you guys are all doing good. Thank you guys for being here. If you guys can hear me and you guys are part of the NLT community, you guys have been here before, put some 41s in the freaking chat, guys. Run it back up. What up, Jacko? NLT Matt back in the building was good. Tony Gold, Casper, Cool Hand Luke was good. Tony Gold, Taylor, Jen, what's up? Good to see you again. Thanks for coming back. Athena, what's good? Where you been? Come on now. Joseph, what's good? Yes, sir. Tim, what's good? How are you? Let's go. Jacko, Mercy Lago, what's good? Good to see all you guys. Tran, Chapasta, my boy Jamal. Super excited to be here with all you guys. Noah Lani, oh my god, the whole gang is here, guys. Let's have a night and a half. We to Tang. Let's see. We pull up. What up, everyone? Everyone tell Jamal how you're feeling, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, everyone tell Jamal how you're feeling in the chat. I've been trying to balance trading with pattern stuff, but I've been slowly figuring it out and we back. Hell yeah. Pageant for you can be Miss Forex. You don't need to be Miss wherever. You can be Miss Forex. No, I'm totally kidding. I love that. Hope you guys all doing good though, guys. Do a little check-in. Let's do a little check-in, guys. We back. So hope you guys all have had a good weekend. I had a good weekend. I went out with Cowboys, like my first weekend here at our new spot. I haven't really announced it to a lot of you guys. Some of you guys may know where it is. If you guys don't know where it is, or if you do, don't say in the chat because I do have a YouTube video dropping. It's just I'm trying to get familiar back with editing, guys, because the one thing that's been a hindrance for me about dropping consistent YouTube videos, my editor's kind of slow sometimes, especially to get it the way that I want it. So I need to start editing it myself, which is just me getting disciplined, putting in the work, which I just haven't done in a while. They usually have an editor to do everything. So I just gotta finish editing it and I'm gonna drop it. But had a good weekend. We went out. Super freaking fun. He's good so much. And then what else? Kind of kicked it, honestly. Pretty chill weekend. Took a bad gold trade today. Damn. Eating the editor, bro. Actually. This is Jer right now, guys. I've been looking at Jer on the 15. The one thing I like about Jer 30 for tonight is that there's not been Asia highs or lows taken out. So essentially, like if we got price to come down and sweep the lows and we got a reaction to go long, you know, I think that could help. If you need editor, let me know about the Cowboys as well. Oh no way, hell yeah. What's your name, bro? I think maybe he's probably up, whatever. I'll ask him when he comes here. I bet you he'll walk back out here. He always loves coming to say what's good to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, see, I feel like I've not heard your name or something. Oh yeah, bro, appreciate you for being here. Yeah, maybe let's talk. DM me. If you have an Instagram or something, DM me on Instagram. Be like, this is be like, I'm the guy. I'm him. That's all you gotta say. Just DM, say I'm him. I'm a freaking. Yeah, you guys can see. Can you guys see the? Yeah, you guys can see it. So funny. I kind of like it. You guys like the new setup or what? Yeah, I gotta put this in the new YouTube video. When TP hits. I'm foreshadowing it too, because I know that tonight we catching a banger. And I can't take another part because I just had one. A little bit, I cannot have fun. Can't hear anything. What is it? Whoa, can you guys hear me? Oh, can't hear anything. What is it? Always dancing music we can't hear. I love that, Lucky. I mean, I like it. I mean, it's right here. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like that you guys can't hear it because, unfortunately, guys, I don't like playing music on my streams because not only does it get a copyright strike, but there's a couple things. First thing is it gets copyright striked, which actually hurts the YouTube channel, which makes it so that the YouTube channels, like the live streams, don't get sent out to people. So that's the first thing. Second thing is if I play music, people can't go back and watch the live stream. So let's say like I go over a lesson on here that you guys really like or you want to go back and watch. If I play music, you guys can't even go back and watch the YouTube because it'll be taken down because of copyright. And then, I mean, the main reason I don't do it is I don't like the thought of it messing up the YouTube algorithm. You know what I'm saying? My shit already is fucking shadow banned and shit. So it's like anything I can do to not have that happen, let's do that. Athena says she can hear. Can you guys hear it? Luca Gold messes up yesterday. You hit a gold trade, bro. Damn, J30's slow for right now, guys. We definitely should wait till London open for something. Let's check out GJ though, guys. Gold. Everyone in the chat, let me know what you guys want to see. What up, Silva? How are you? Good to see you. I was in GU, no way. All right, guys, you said Cowboys and GU, so you guys want that trade? What? Wait, you halfway TP though? Where'd you get in? Down in here? One thing you can't say is he ain't afraid to take no trade. That's a fact. This is on GJ, guys. If anyone's looking for a GJ breakout, I'm not opposed to that. Maybe wait for some more volume. It's not the, I won't say this is the highest volume right now, chat. What do you guys think? Is Dollar live, guys? Where's Dollar been? Are you said he's going live at like at London Open now or something? NOT Reggie in the building. What is good, bro? Let's check out JPY basket, guys. If that can reject and break this low. Wait for that JPY basket break. Shorting EU round area maybe an idea. Awesome. Let's check it out in a second. Market not jumping just yet. Fact. It's not moving the fastest, I would say. Hi, how are you? How's everyone doing, guys? If any of you guys are in the chat and need help, need questions, you guys have anything, bro, I'm here, guys. I literally sit here Monday through Friday and answer you guys' questions, whatever you guys need. Back testing, reviewing trades, psychology advice, life advice, bro. I'm literally here for you guys. So you guys need anything, I'll be on here on the YouTube live stream, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll be here for you. Deadass. Always giving away free sauce, bro. I mean, they don't pay to be here, does it? Didn't you guys pay? You're paying your time, but I appreciate that. I guess I'm paying my time. You're paying your time by being here also. All right, guys. GJ's having this this push here. Once again, I'm just alerting you guys. If any of you guys agree with the setup, I'm not here to tell you guys what to get in. I'm not in charge of your accounts, but you know, talk about potential trade ideas. I think this is a good one. Right here. So as GJ starts to push, someone said in the chat, how can I make my psychology strong? So I would say when it comes to psychology, confidence in trading is one of the best things. Why? Because you're not afraid to get into the position. You're not afraid to take profit. You're not afraid to follow your rules. Like even if it comes to a loss, it doesn't even matter because you were following your rules. You're following your plan. It doesn't even matter. So I would say how you gain confidence is you go and you backtest and collect data on a given strategy a ton. Backtest, develop, sample size, get better, and all that time you're going to develop and get confidence with the given strategy that like you're not really going to be afraid to get into a trade. Like you said, you're like, oh, how do I get my confidence or your psychology up? I definitely would say that if you gain good data on a strategy and backtest it, when it comes to forward testing the live markets, you shouldn't even hesitate. I can have a profit, but sometimes that turns into losses following the plan. You focus on macros and COT reports? No, I actually don't. I think that's something that if I had someone who could help me with that type of thing, it would help, but I don't really know too much about it. I need a hoodie. Ask a way to make it. I caught it right away. Hell yeah. Let's go back over and check out give me a lower time frame sweep of lows on Jared 30 and I'll go long. On my mama. Every time I set a profit target, it doesn't hit it, but then. So Piyush, it seems like when your problem that you've said in the chat is exit criteria. So when it comes to exit strategy, guys, let's talk about that for a second. That was a good question in the chat. So let's talk about that for a second. Everyone in the chat, let me know if you guys have gone into a trade and it's gone to profit. You've gone into a 1 to 5, 1 to 6 even sometimes. And guess what? It comes all the way back, hits you stop loss, hits you break even. One of those things. Everyone in the chat, let me know. Let me know if that's happened to you. Yes, yes, definitely. Yeah, exactly. So a lot of you guys have had that happen. I've had it happen a ton of times. Even being a profitable trader, it still happens, right? So when it comes to that, I always preach this all the time, which is having an exit strategy. What that means is that, in my opinion, everyone focuses so hard on when to get into the trade, but no one knows once they're in the trade how to get out of the trade. So how you're going to do that? Look at a past 100 trades using the strategy that you use during the trading time that you trade at, and then guess what? Look at pick a couple different ways to get out of the trade, sample size them, collect data, and go, all right, if I take 100 of these trades, let me pick 3 ways to get out of the trade. All right, if I would have used this strategy, I would have made this percent with the 100 trades. If I used this exit strategy, I would have made this percent with this one. If I used this one, I would have made this percent. And then guess what? You're going to see which one is the highest, and that's actually going to give you an edge because you're going to now know when is the best time to collect, or to basically take your profits, right? Because to me, a lot of you guys know that I go for trades at a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Why? Because I've collected a bunch of data and seen that the average risk to reward across all my wins has been a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So if I go for a 1 to 5, a 1 to 6, I have data that shows me it's most likely not going to happen. So why would I do that? So guess what? Once again, we brought up psychology. Your psychology is just so much easier and just better when you have not only an entry criteria, but also exit criteria that you're going to follow. Once it happens, you're out of the trade. You're not going to get all pissy because it keeps going or whatever. No, you're going to get in. It's going to get in profit. You're going to hit your whatever. And then once your exit criteria presents itself, you're out and you collected profits and you can't do anything about it. That's what I think. Is that sauce or what? Oh, okay, Jared 30. He's pissing me off though because once again, we haven't really had any type of lower time frame liquidity grab. So I'm afraid of like trying to get in at this break and getting faked out. I think the best that one has is you gonna, that's who I am. Ain't no street shit. Wherever you want, you can put it on cam. All right, guys, we're gonna break right here. I'm gonna wait a second. Just alerting you guys. Yo, I need to make the call schedule. Can I still do it? Yes. Once again, spots are open until they're not, guys. I'm only taking on a limited amount of people for now. So if you want to be a part of it, you got to book a call. Hop on with my team and see if you're fit to join it. And if you get accepted, congratulations. But I hope to get a lot of you guys in there. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys who be in the chat. Get you in that mentorship, guys. The team's gonna be crazy. All right, guys, we're getting to push on Jared 30. You can have a 30-point stop loss. You know, in my opinion, you could even decrease it a little bit, but I wouldn't have it anywhere probably less than 20. So 20 is right around here. If you wanted to decrease your stop loss. But what's the quote I say about liquidity, guys? Someone in the chat say it. When it comes to my strategy and when it comes to waiting for liquidity to be taken, what's the reasoning? What's the reasoning? Someone tell me. How about some thumbs up in the chat? Take a second to show some support. Yeah, I love that. Put some thumbs in the chat or just like the stream, guys. I appreciate that. If you guys even just press the like button. Gives momentum to the opposite side. Exactly. But what's another word? Like, what's the wording of that? Like, I word it a little differently, but he's basically right. Then the big move. Exactly. So the reason why I always bring that up when it comes to my strategy, and you guys can write this down. I don't know if any of you guys out there take these seriously and want to, you know, take notes and take these calls seriously. But when it comes to my strategy and what I like to preach and what I like to teach is that if you wait for liquidity to be taken out before you enter a position, you are less likely to become liquidity, right? So for this setup, let's talk about what I would kind of need for this to be valid, because you could kind of consider maybe this low right here getting kind of ran and then breaking structure, but I didn't get in down in here. That would have been the proper entry. Sweep this low, get at the break of the high for the volume right there. But you see up here at the top that, you know, it's getting the rejection once here, like once we're like taking liquidity above. For me to have wanted to take this position and get in this late, this low right here would have had to sweep this one. Why? Because this is the Asia low. Look at how this was the Asia range. Price came down and got close to it, but ultimately it didn't take it out. If this would have came and taken this out, not only would that have trying to draw this like this for you guys, not only would that have swept this low, but it also would have made a reversal pattern like this. You guys know I love looking for this reverse head and shoulders reversal pattern. When it'll make a low, it'll sweep that low and then hold that low, and then we get in for the push. But once again, that didn't happen. That low was not swept. So I still think this is a valid setup. The only reason why I think you guys could potentially get into this and this, oh, look at this retest too. If this breaks with volume, it should go. I like the hourly. If I'm being completely honest, guys, I like how on the higher time frames we went bullish. We've pulled back down into basically discount of the overall move, and now we're re-breaking structure to the upside. So you can see here on the hourly, guys, we are breaking there. 4 hour as well, 30-minute. But I just don't like how liquidity has not been taken below, and we're not even in session yet. So price could still come all the way down, fake out sellers, and then rebuy all the way back up into tomorrow. And if it happens, I told you so. First day here, do you take trades on stream or you just give trade ideas? I actually do take trades on stream. I majority of the time wait for London Open to take any of my trades, but I'm going to be a little bit more lenient this year because I do love trading live with you guys. The thing is I like when it comes to like trading on my personal live account, I like trading during session, GJ or gold, and not every single day is GJ or gold going to have a trade right at open. So what I've started doing for you guys is actually pulling up JER30 and also UK 100, because these ones actually do have good volume around these times where I can actually, you know, call some live trades with you guys and get in and all type of stuff. So that's really the reason why I started doing this for, you know, doing this for you guys. Yeah, Discord, yes sir. Can is any of the mods here? Can you guys send the Discord in there? If not, I'll send it right here. Oh, you know, street shit, whatever you want, you can get it on cam. Guys, a lot of introductions and stuff and new things to the Discord. Make sure you guys are a part of it. Oh, what was that? Discord invite. Why is that? You in this Jared trade? No. See, why does it say hidden use copy button? What does that even mean? Oh, there we go. Figured it out. There we go. All right, guys. In the chat room is the link to the Discord, so make sure you guys are part of it. I'm not in this JER30 trade, guys. Like I said, I think liquidity needs to be taken first, but I have it up for anyone who is interested because the hourly time frame is looking good. So I'm hoping that the 5-minute is just kind of retesting a little bit in the structure here, and then we're gonna re-break with volume and continue up on the hourly. About like 30 Glocks. They're kind of like this. You see how we're kind of re-breaking? We have a nice trend line formed here as well, where, you know, you get kind of a break of this to the downside, you can pull out. We'll sell just in case, but you can see there that, guys, that the volume's a little slow right there. Say now, all about my band. Who is Priya on Discord? I don't know why. Did someone reach out to you or something? If anyone reach out to you guys or is in the Discord and is like DMing you weird stuff, definitely let me know so I can just kick them out of the Discord. Because some people just be doing shit like that. Oh man. I got fake Lucas trying to add me all the time. Fuck. At least you know the real one. But even some people, bro, I'm not even gonna lie. And if you're here in the chat and you're listening, I apologize. I'm sorry for sharing your business. But I just gotta say it for people out there who you know, it's gotta be careful. But someone who's even in my freaking mentorship, who's been on calls with me daily, has my correct Discord, literally has my like personal information, has talked to me before, got scammed by a fake telegram of me because I had a blue check for freaking a lot of money. So everyone, please be careful. I have nothing you can send me money for, guys. Like, I won't trade for you. There's no investment opportunities. It's just either free education on here if you guys want to actually have in-depth teaching where you go under my wing and, you know, follow my blueprint to become profitable, you join the mentorship. Other than that, I should be trading. If you got a problem, say what it. Wow. What up, Christian? Good to see you, brother. How are you? Return after the holidays. Let's go. Well, we missed you, bro. So welcome back. Check out the DXY, guys. What's the DXY been up to? Let's go to the 15-minute. Interesting. JPY basket. So look at the JPY basket. To me, looks like it's channeling up to fall. Doesn't that look what you guys see, right? That's why if I go over to GJ, I want those buys. It's selling, but it's like, fuck. GJ didn't go. I mean, fuck, bro. I mean, we're bullish. We're in the pullback. Looking for some sort of break. You just gotta wait for some liquidity. If they broke those highs, what? How'd no one call it out for me? Here we go, guys. Hourly flipping. If anyone is looking for a position, fuck. Nah. Nah. Won't do it. I'm being impatient. Bruce Leroy. Cool. Looks like a good position, guys, but it's not how I want to start the week. Just because the Asian highs, but it's clean. I know I'm gonna be like fuck, but you know, it's all good. Waiting for session to start the week. It's called discipline. Waiting for the Asia highs to break? No. So the easiest way to put it is the quote that my friend Emmett says, which I really like, is that I won't enter the market how I also exit the market, and vice versa. Like I won't lose money the same way I make money. That's what he says, is that I won't lose money the same way I make money. What does that mean? Is that I'm a trader who likes to wait for Asia highs or lows to get swept, then take a opposing position. So let's say I'm bearish overall, but here I'm bullish. If I'm bearish and price takes out the Asia highs like it just did, I actually look for sells. You know what I'm saying? So I needed to kind of like take out the Asia highs with volume, maybe come back and retest. And if we can continue, then I'll go. But my whole thing is that there's always like a lot of liquidity sitting above and below the Asia session range. So back to what I said about I won't, you know, like I'm not trying to lose money the same way I make money. So it's like I won't enter and try to buy through the Asia highs when I usually make money. Because like that would be like losing money the same way I make money, which is usually like take the sells at the highs. But I personally, if you had like a gun on my head and said buy or sell, I would buy. I just am being disciplined because of that rule. But the higher time frames lines up with it, which kind of is what changes my mind a little bit. Look, I bought it in yeah, that's fire, bro. You know, we're easing back into the markets, bro. Give me, you know, still some low volume, but you know, come this next week and stuff, bro, definitely. There's someone in the chat who got fully funded just from, he literally said that he listened to me on the live stream say, because I say it all the time, but I was like, guys, a cheat code is literally, you know, I'm not here to diss any of you guys, but maybe you guys are still kind of practicing. You're not taking the best trades. You need to learn a little bit. So I literally said, I was like, go buy a prop firm challenge, buy the signals, just take my signals, go for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, and that's it. And you'll get profitable. Right? I know I said, get a funded account, buy the signals, take the signals, and you'll make more than your 9 to 5. And he said bet, and he didn't have a funded account yet, but he did pass the signals. Right, he literally went and bought his thing, only took the trades and passed it in like I think a week or two of being in the signal room. Just got in. Are you looking at gold tonight? Yeah, I was looking at it a bit. This Jared 30 buys is to me the best setup that I've seen so far on the charts. Everything else has been a little iffy. GJ to me isn't the best, but if we can sweep some liquidity and break highs, I'll look at that. But when it comes to gold, I have a demand right here, but the demand to me might not be enough for rejection. And the reason is look left right here, guys. I have a question for everyone here. You guys see this whole impulse that happened? If you guys got into buys here, where's your stop loss going to be? Under these lows, right? You guys agree? Everyone in the chat, you guys agree? That's what the stop losses would be? Yeah, exactly. Agree. So my whole thing is that if pricing to like consolidate here, lead to a distribution, you know what I'm saying? You see it like consolidate, lead to a distribution on this whole buy. If it comes back down, the chances of it just rejecting and continuing are a lot lower. What is a higher probability is it to come down and actually wait for those lows to get stopped and then, you know, basically correct the whole move that already occurred. Right? That makes sense to you guys? In profit for Jared 30. I hope it flies and all you guys make some money. Like, you know, I don't disagree with it. I think it's G. Look at it, we're already going. We bowling. So I was in profit for Jared 30. Yes, sir. I think gold going down first. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I think it's gonna go down, sweep it, and then go. What do y'all think, chat? Chat, everyone want to spam some 41s in the chat? 41s, 41s, 41s. $41s, chat. Spam them. Back at it another week. 41s, 41s, 41s. Come on, guys. Where's the 41s at? All I asked for. I'll come on here, break stuff down for you. But then no 41s in the chat. 41. Hey, Piyush, I like that. He said 41. Can you do something for me? I love that. That's funny. Everyone 41s. Come on now. Ian. Come on now. Push, 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 push. Make him eat the dog. Spray him. Do you guys get the entry and everything? Obviously, I'm not in. You know, I would have let you guys know if I got in. But do you guys understand the like why I kind of looked at it? And I mean, I broke down the higher time frames. Like the lower time frames matched up a little bit. That retest made sense, and I'm kind of glad it had that retest to continue. But the higher time frames is really what was good. Good, Killa. They're 30. Come say what's good. I don't know how many people are here, chat. 60. Come say what's good to the folks. Chat, y'all trying to see Batman? Wait, what?
Another W. In and out of the markets. Just took a fat W on GU.
It is what it is, chat. What do you got to say today on this fine Monday? Fuck around.
What's the past?
Hey, two goats. Cowboy, tell Luke he needs to be his editor. Fire. Oh yeah. Does Batman have a shaped up tight mustache? Cowboy, you need an LL5 gold chain dripping hoodie. Hell yeah.
You guys think I should get some jewelry? Like a
oh,
new Rolly?
Listen, chat. Watch out, where y'all at?
I made 3K today. 2K futures, and we just made 1K in Forex.
Does that mean you don't have type of time when to go cop something? You gotta show him. Type shit. Type shit. What do y'all think, chat? What Rolly? With a dab ranch?
No, I don't like the root beer.
Really?
Yeah, that's exactly. I was thinking of getting like a two-tone, like diamond face, date chest, or like a presidential 36. I like the 36. I don't like the 40, 41. I think they're just too big of a watch. I don't think it makes sense. I don't think it's classy. So just 36. You want to flex, I guess the 41, but
it's on you, cuz. As we jump back over, guys, look at Jared 30 absolutely fine with a low TB smash right on stream right there. Get a RM.
not yet. I don't got that type of money yet, but one day, bro. Soon. I'm compounding my account. I'm getting my payouts. I'm saving up.
Hell yeah. Look at Jared 30 on the hourly time frame is advisable. So that's why I said, guys, the higher time frames is what made this set up pretty good to me. Because once again, guys, I consider this when it comes to trend indication. So when I see moves like this occur, right, up, and then we get the pullbacks, this to me on this first push is the indication. This is the correction for this to continue, right? As we go back, you know, as we go kind of in there. That's when that, you know, that's when the hourlies, that price came up, rejected, came back in, and continued. And this is Glock 17, this ain't no water gun. Presidential's fire. W trade, hell yeah. Guys, like I said, we're getting our feet wet, guys. We still got a long year of a lot of stuff, of a lot of winning trades, of a lot of fun streams, a lot of W's in the chat. So it's all good. Exit strategy trend line. So here, guys, everyone listen up. Let's actually do that as like a YouTube video. Ready? All right, everyone listen up. I'm gonna go over a live trading example of choosing 3 different exit criteria and going through with you guys live on which one would have actually, you know, you profit the most using these exit strategies. So this is the Jared30 trade we are on right now on the live stream. It's absolutely flying, but as you can see, just because we're flying, everyone at this point in their trading starts thinking, when should I get out? Oh my gosh, I'm up a 1-to-1. Should I close? All this type of stuff. They have no idea when they should actually get out. So that's why it's really important to have an exit strategy. So 3 of the ones that I always use and that I like to go over is the first one being the trend line one. So you can see up here, I already have a trend line set, but you close the trade, or you at least close partials of the trade once price actually shows you that it's slowing in volume, coming back down. Oh wait, did I even? Oh yeah, no, I changed it. I didn't change the camera over once again. Back to what I was saying. My bad. One of the strategies being the trendline strategy. So you can see here, this is the position and it is in profit, but what you do is you draw a trend line from the lows that's created, and hopefully when it comes down, it'll take some sort of higher low or make some sort of higher low before continuing up and kind of channel up. But as soon as price comes and closes back below the trend line that it creates, that's actually where you'll look to get out of the trade. So for here, it would be a little bit over a 1-to-1. But that's one way to get out of the trade. The other way that we can look for is looking for a closure before my ASMA. So you can see all these lines on my chart, which is an indicator, but to me, the ASMA hugs price really tight for when we get big distributions like this. It's still down here, and what's going to happen is price kind of will, you know, have volume move away from it fast. And what I hope to happen is price will distribute up, come back down, use the ASMA as some sort of level of support, reject, and continue up. Because then how you use the ASMA strategy is once price closes back below the ASMA, that's when you get out of that trade, right? So you can kind of come back down, hopefully uses at it. It'll hopefully like kind of channel and then finally get a closure below the SMA, and that's when you get out of the trade. So that's the other strategy. And the other one is a fixed risk to reward. So for anyone who's been traded with me, knows I like going for 1 to 3 risk to rewards. When it comes to Jared30, I need to do a little bit more back testing and collect data to see if 1 to 4s, 1 to 5s occur, because I'm used to 1 to 3s on pairs like gold and GJ, but I haven't traded Jared30 enough to actually know my data behind it. So I'm going to start doing that coming forward. But in this case, I'm going to pick a 1 to, like, let's say 3.5. Let's just do it for I want to do 1 to 4, but I usually do 1 to 3, so let's just do 3.5. But the 1 to 3.5 has not hit yet. You know, you can see 1 to 1 has hit. A 1 to 3 is up in this area all the way up here. So we can even just set an alarm for up here. So we now have our 3 exit criteria that we're going to follow. And this is a live trading example where price literally is in profit. We're here, eating with the chat, knowing that price is going up. And we're going to actually basically not back test, but forward test in this example. When would be the best time to get out? Because like I said, everyone gets into a trade, price will be flying up and they'll be in profit, but they'll have no idea when to get out. So right now, not getting out, still in the trade, looking for it to potentially show us any type of reversal or any type of pattern that make us get out. But as of now, there's no reason to get out of the trade. Does that make sense, chat? I DM'd in Telegram. Let me look. I'll go look in a second, Tim. I got you, brother. Where the shoot is at? Did I see that Himalayas? So this is just forward testing what we're talking about, guys. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just back testing it, this is us live action. Because I know for a fact everyone will be trying to close partials here, but there's nothing like who here in the chat. Let's say if you're in the trade, you would know how it feels, but even if you're not in it, how many of you guys get into profit like this where it'll go up 1, 2, 3, 4 candles all bullish and you'll be like, you'll be happy with your profit and you're already looking to get out of your trade? How many of you guys feel like that? Yeah, 10 of you guys feel like that. Price will just go up. You'll be happy with your profit, want to get out, which is good. It's important to not be greedy, but finding ways to actually be able to hold your trades longer and actually have data to back it up. Because I'm a big believer in proof of concept, having proof that the concept that you think actually does work. Which, let's say the concept you think is that, oh, if I use this strategy to get out of the trade, I'll extract the most money out of the markets. You know what I'm saying? So as of now, we're waiting for JR30. You can see here, it's still kind of just channeling up. We're waiting for some sort of pullback to close below the SMA or close below the trend line or get to our 1 to 3. And we'll basically be able to tell out of all those exit criteria, which one would have been the best one to use to extract the most money out of the market. Luke, can you suggest any prop for beginners? I obviously suggest Clarity. Funder Pro I've heard is really good also. I heard they have a little bit of harder rules, but once live, pretty sure that they're the best. Yeah. Any problems with set R to R? Yeah. We need to find the blue. Just daily payouts on Funder Pro right here. That's what I'm saying. NLT Matt is did you change your name? You used to be, I think, like 2+ backwards or something like that. Is it the same Matt? Different Matt. If it's me, bro, I would have gotten out by now if I was in that trade. That's what I'm saying. A lot of you guys would have already been out of this trade. So coming up with ways to hold it longer are going to help you tremendously. Yeah, I was 2 but I need to update it for this year. I love it, bro. No, I love it. You've been a real one since day one, bro. So I love that you made the name that. What do you think of Trade Locker? I love it. I think it's honestly they're going to keep doing upgrades. It's a developing company. I'm actually friends with the CEOs of it, and that may sound like I'll be biased, but I would be completely honest if there was not a good platform. I think that they're the future. They've been developing for a while. They have so many cool features that I think really help beginners. So easy. I swear by Thunder Pro. Yeah, exactly. OG Fresh was good, baby. Gang, 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 gang. Yeah. So add extra context to loss of the entry or let those run. Let it run, brother. Let it run, let it run, let it run. That boy NLT Reggie. Reggie, you trading futures? You traded DAX on futures? Cowboy traded futures today for the first time. Made a little bag. Q and Anthony are goats. Q and Anthony actually aren't the CEOs of it though. They are, I think. Actually, I don't even know if they're owners. Sava, brother. Check gold. I will. I kind of want to watch this live example. Gold. Gold's just still dumping down right there. Wait for it to take some sort of liquidity. Ooh, GJ's took out its low though. in some sort of reaction. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. I still want to record this though. Maybe use it as like a, you know, as like a YouTube video or a reel or something. I picked up a couple Apex accounts. Let's go. What's the what's JR30's like ticker on future? You see, I took urine Cowboy signals. I just couldn't took the TPs you guys gave out. I don't know why. Exactly, it's a psychology thing, bro. It's nothing to do with you or the charts. It's literally a psychology thing. I prefer it over match. And I like MT5, but trade locker does everything right there. So looking at your setup and then going to facts. It's true. You on Zoom? No, I'm gonna bring back more of those for this next year. I'm actually not on Zoom right now. I'm just on with you guys here. FDAX. Cool signal go through the VIP chat. Yeah, so I switched over everything over to Discord now, brother. This is the link to VIP for anyone out there who is looking to join the team, guys. It's literally free. It's just money on money on money. The only reason you wouldn't want to join is if you just hate money, but that's the link. Can we get some likes for Luca? There's over 60 people here, only 26 likes. That's what I'm saying, bro. How much percent should I risk? Probably like 100. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Can all you guys hit the like button though? That shit would be so sick. Couldn't imagine if everyone here hit the like button. Oh my god, that'd be insane. Never has happened ever. Yes, sir. What's up, GG? W Luca, keep grinding, brother. Appreciate you. Love you, love you, love you, GG. Appreciate it. Athena, where are you from again? I remember we talked in one of the Zooms, but guess I'll catch the next one. This trade already in action. Nah, just 4 leverage, bro. Just risk the whole account. Just get him buys. No, I'm kidding. Checking in. Let's go. Hiding amongst the trees. Came to check in with the gang. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming. Right here, guys. This is right. I want to read that. Right here, guys. This is a clear example of a time that people potentially would have jumped out of the trade a little too early. So you can see here we had a bearish candle. We then broke the lows to kind of pull back. A lot of people were already saying like, "Oh, look, I would have already got out of the trade." You guys can see here that price is now starting to go bullish a little bit more. We're breaking the highs. If it continues bullish, this will be a good lesson of, you know, hold on to your trade. You can see here none of the exit criteria have happened yet. We haven't hit the 1 to 3. We haven't broken the trend line. We haven't closed below the SMA. So we're still just holding, waiting for one of them to happen before we look for any other, you know, thing, you know, to close the trade or anything. That's how you should look at it. Boom, there we go. Now London has opened too, and we're pushing price up. I told you guys, like I said, these little pullbacks should not scare you. 1 to 3 is about to hit right there. Boom. So we can say that the 1 to 3 did hit, so we can calculate that. We can still extend the trend line. Ooh, not right there. We can extend this trend line to still only close once you know, get below that trend line. But then we also can wait for that closure below the SMA. So none of them still happened except for the 1 to 3 when we got that spike. Oh, not there though. There, boom. There we go. That's what the position is. 1 to 3 was hit. You can see here, extend the trend line up, and we'll wait there. Wow, percent of the goat, exactly. We get some 40 W's in the chat, guys. Get some W's in the chat, por favor. W's, W's, W's. More W's, chat. I'll say it once, I'll say it again. You're just not on the streams if you hate free money. Everyone here in the chat, W's in the chat. If you made money, you can see here. Everyone eating, Jared30, thank you. Everyone come tune in during London sessions. Come tune in with the freaking, everyone, come on. Killing it with the gang. Come tune in. Can't make it out, let's go. Regardless if you got in the position or not, guys, at least you learned something, guys. You know what I'm saying? That's all you can do, because guess what? If you learn something today, you guys can come back tomorrow and apply it and then freaking eat tomorrow. So that's the whole goal. Is I'm getting more familiar with Jared30. Gonna be killing it with you guys. Throughout it, I don't know if I told you guys, but I did buy a bunch of Apex accounts. And I'm gonna do it for YouTube and also do it and show you guys me passing them, taking trades on them, keep you guys updated, and see kind of what happens. But maybe I'll start trading that Jared30 on futures during this time or something. We'll check it out. Gotta kind of just wait for price to come back down or something. But honestly, W lesson, you know what I'm saying? W lesson on just showing you guys, especially in this area, about not pulling out too early, waiting for price to actually show you it wants to go. Because right here you could see that price kind of gave two kind of fake out candles to make you want to get out of the position, just for then when London opened to spike up even more, hit your 1 to 3. So like, how sick would you have been to get out and it go back up? You'd be like, oh my god, I should have kept holding, all this type of stuff. No, pick an exit criteria, follow it. All 3 extra criteria still have not even happened yet, so we could be sitting chilling up 1 to 3 right now, no matter what what exit strategy there is. None of them have showed you to get out, so you'd still be chilling here, mindset fine, not stressed at all, waiting for one of them to happen. When is the schedule for the mentorship start? Sunday, guys. I'm telling you guys right now, everyone in the chat, if you guys want to learn the sauce and get live trading, Discord curriculum calls with me and 2 other teachers. You get 2 one-on-ones with me. You get my whole course, lifetime access to my signals. It literally pays for itself in freaking probably the first month when you get it. I'm being honest, especially if you're funded. If you're funded and you don't want to take, oh my god, it'd be so easy. Where can I get that free book you posted on Insta? Which book? The you guys can DM me free. It'll send you a free ebook if that's what you're talking about. But what book? What are those little hitches called again? Cat something? What do you mean? um no, G Fresh. I bro, I'm out here, made 1.5K done to New York. W trade, let's go. W Nolan. Thanks for coming, bro. Appreciate you. I'm gonna grab some water. 1 second, guys. So funny. Everyone just be like, "What's Luca be up to all during the days and shit?" I just be here like doing nothing. No, I'm kind of always doing work. It's just funny because I'm stationary. See gold? No. Oh, God, I'm so good at trading when you can just tell when price is gonna reject. I do want to sweep the lows though, but God, I'm so good at this shit. W Cowboys trade, that was good. I know you still be losing 70. I got up to 70s, yeah. I still be working out, not as much as I was. It kind of sucks. I miss having the schedule and the trainer. You guys don't know how stressful it was to. It was just a lot, bro. I had some shit go down where, so I had to fly home to San Francisco. I had like a dentist thing, which sucked. 2 days later after that, I went to Vegas for fucking 4 days. Went from Vegas to then flew home for Christmas Eve to have Christmas. Stayed up there till New Year's, or right before New Year's. But then before New Year's, I had to come back and move out my whole entire apartment, which fucking just was so ass. Had to hire some people. But it was just a lot, and then come all the way down to the Airbnb. It was just a lot. But back to it. No bitching. What's good, Luke? How was your day? Chilling, bro. Today was pretty solid. Recorded some good reels and stuff. I made like a really funny fucking like reel, like ad thing, which like I think is gonna be hilarious. So can't wait to see that shit. Hey, thanks for the lens. Thanks for the lens. That's a lot. Yes, sir. Let me know when you're back in the Bay. Yes, sir. Got you, Tim. Always, brother. You'll be here, and we're gonna be back on the mentorships calls call Sunday. So you'll know when I'm traveling and shit. Luke, you said on the mentorship calls that you'll be traveling a lot. Yes, sir. We're just here for the first month, guys. I'm here only till the 31st. And then me and your boy, we out. Everyone join the Discord. I haven't said that. Everyone go join the Discord. Here's the link right here. If you guys are not in the Discord, you guys are missing out. There's the link. Be there, be square. um Where'd you leave all your stuff? Storage? Yeah, I went and put everything's in a storage unit. Saw that banger on TRADERTV. What's up, Nix? It's good, Salva. Put the goats here. All right, guys, this is consolidating a lot. Congratulations if you guys got into the JAR position. You guys can see here what I really like is that, you know, you can see here we had the push up and we're getting the pullback. You could even see we're not even to the trend line yet. And we're getting some sort of rejection to come up where once again, some people would already be, you know, getting out of their trade. They'd be closing just because it rejected, where it could easily still come up, come back down, reject, and continue way higher. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's super beautiful about having the trend line strategy or the SMA strategy, is that you're not just getting out at the 1 to 3 or whatever. You're actually getting in based upon the market structure and when you're getting the breakback below. So as of now, still neither has happened, but we'll still, you know, keep watching. But appreciate y'all the goats. Be smooth. Don't you think I wouldn't do? Don't blur your account because I wouldn't do that. No, I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. But let's have a solid week, guys. It's only Monday. If you guys want to come kill it with the gang, I already sent the link to the VIP. Salva, if you want to send the link, guys, click the link Salva is sending. Join VIP or VIP with the team. You guys can go use code Salva for, I think, 10% off. It's like 10 or 15% off. So make sure you guys do that. And when you do that, guys, I've said it before, but I know it obviously costs money. It's not like it's completely free. But if you're on a challenge or you're on a live account, the only way you wouldn't be able to make the monthly signals back if you were in it is if you had maybe like a $10 account. Something crazy. I think even with like $100 account, where the value's at, guys. Like I said, it's there to separate people who are locked in, people who are not locked in. Hello, bye, Luca. Yes, sir. Good to see you. Thank you so much for all your help. You guys are the goats. See y'all in New York session. See y'all there. See y'all in London session. We here. We here to stay. I'm kidding, but you guys are the goats. Wait, can you guys see this now? Real quick. So back to the exit criteria, guys. We still haven't gotten the closure below. We're just getting the pullback. You gotta wait what? Oh, the 15-minute just opened though. So maybe the 15-minute will just create a bottom leg and flip, or if not, it come back to break even, which goes to show the fixed risk to reward thing would have been the best out of these ones, but still gotta wait. Still gotta wait and see. I will wait for you. I have a 10K with pick phone. Let's go. $100 account, $10 trades, that's what I'm saying. $100 account, it's like, I know y'all blowing way more on challenges and shit. It's like, go invest in some real education or something. Good ass. Should I go for a 25K or 50K? I would say 25K, bro. I always say whatever challenge you want to go for, cut it in half, because you know what? Even if you do pass the 25K and you're like, oh shit, I wish I would have done 50. Guess what? You get to pass it, you get your money back, and you get to use that money to go get another 25K and go fucking pass it again. If you pass it once, you should have a strategy that shows that you should be able to pass it again. You pass it once, but you go blow it again, which means you kind of got lucky. You know what I'm saying? You're the GOAT, Murcielago. Guys, look on the trend line getting rejected and the SMA getting rejected together. I'm telling you. When I be preaching, I be saucing up. You can see here, it just pulls back right to the SMA and the trend line to reject and continue in the direction. I'm out of here, chat. I'm waiting. See you guys in the next one. I'm probably gonna go live again tomorrow, so see you guys there. Make sure you guys are subscribed, like it, and share it with a friend. You know what I'm saying? Love you all. Peace out. Ciao, chat.